Welcome to Kids Fun TV 20. Let's learn and make ABC with popsicle skills along with animal name. So let's learn together. This is the letter A. A. A is for alligator. Alligator. This is the letter B. B. B is for bear. Bear. Kids, this is the letter C. C. C is for cat. Cat. This is the letter D. D. D is for duck. Duck. Kids, this is the letter E. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. This is the letter F. F. F is for frog. Frog. This is the letter G. G. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. Kids, this is the letter H. H. H is for horse. Horse. This is the letter I. I. I is for iguana. Iguana. This is the letter J. J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. This is the letter K. K. K is for koala. Koala. This is the letter L. L. L is for line. Line. This is the letter M. M. M is for monkey. Monkey. This is the letter N. N. N is for newt. Newt. Kids, this is the letter O. O. O is for octopus. Octopus. This is the letter P. P. P is for penguin. Penguin. This is the letter Q. Q. Q is for quail. Quail. This is the letter R. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Kids, this is the letter S. S is for Squirrel. Squirrel. This is the letter T. T. T is for tiger. Tiger. This is the letter U. U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. Kids, this is the letter V. V. V is for vulture. Vulture. This is the letter W. W is for whale. Whale. This is the letter X. X. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. This is the letter Y. Y. Y is for yak. Yak. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Nice kid. Today you learn and make ABC with Popsicle sticks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Kids Fun TV 20. Bye bye.